Okay, tell me more about this 1958 two-wheel drive Ford tractor.
Come up here, Scott.
Okay.
Will this pick up here, or is it too dark in here? It's probably way too dark, isn't it?
No, I'm getting it.
Oh, you are?
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay, let's go up and just deal with how to start it. First thing you need to do to get the electrics working is to just hook up this ground that I've put in here.
Okay.
And it's a lot easier doing it that way than dealing with wrenches and stuff in this tight compartment.
Sure.
The next thing after you've got your ground hooked up, the positive is all hooked up. So I go around to the other side. Let's just go over there. And here you've got the key, which I turn back to this position, and you'll see a light come on up here.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Now jump behind the wheel. Clutch on the left. Neutral. Okay. And just take that. And here's your choke. Spring loaded. Here's the throttle.
Okay, missed that. Just a second. We're coming up to that now.
Yeah, okay.
So the choke is near the base of the shifter, and the throttle is over here. Okay.
Throttle, just bring that down a little bit.
Down a little
Sure
bit.
you're
Okay,
in
toward you.
neutral.
Pull it toward you just a little bit.
All right.
Okay.
Make sure you push your clutch down.
Okay.
This is in neutral.
Okay.
And I reach down with my left hand and I pull the choke out, all the way out. Push the starter button.
Okay.
And hold this right out until it fires. And then slowly let that back in.
Okay.
Now, where is she? There's going to be some exhaust coming out there, Sarah.
Okay. Battery charge.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to charge a battery.
There's a charge or another battery. Because I had it running the other